Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you one of my favorite recipes, how to make delicious oven-baked chicken each time. What I have is 4 quarter legs thoroughly cleaned and washed, and also a combination of spices. For this recipe, you certainly can use any of your favorite seasoning. For this recipe, I will leave a full list of ingredients and measurement below so you can always check it out. So friends, if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing. On this channel, I bring you guys easy and best recipe that you can put together in little time. So please consider subscribing. This will help us improve. So friends, for easy cooking, I'm just going to go right ahead and baste my chicken with a bit of oil. So friend, as you notice, I haven't removed majority of the fat from the chicken. That's for a flavor purpose. You certainly can omit that. Next, I'm going to go right ahead and add 2 tablespoons of Caribbean blend green seasoning. Basically a mixture of thyme, pepper, garlic, anything that you enjoy using. You certainly can blend it up when you get that lovely seasoning. So friends, if you're not familiar with Caribbean blend green seasoning, it's basically a combination of spices. Next, I'm going to go right ahead and add my favorite mixed spices. Once fully mixed, I'm just going to set it aside for 20 minutes. So friends, for a better taste and result, overnight preferable. Next friends, for easy cooking at 350 degrees, I'm just going to place it in the oven and cook until desired softness. So friends, after 40 minutes, here we are, perfectly cooked, authentic Guyanese baked chicken. To finish it off, I'm just going to go ahead and drizzle a bit of leftover juice. Next, for presentation purpose, I'm just going to go right ahead and add a bit of chopped parsley to finish it off. So friends, I hope you enjoyed this authentic Guyanese baked chicken recipe at home. You can certainly put this together in little time. So friends, if you enjoyed the video, please consider subscribing. This will help us improve and bring you more videos. Thanks for watching. Until next time.